Hey everyone! If EA Sports FC 26 keeps crashing on your PC, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a quick and easy fix that should get the game running smoothly again. Just follow each step carefully. First, it's important to know that you don't need to change anything inside the EA app. This fix is done directly through your Windows security settings. Let's start. First, click on the search bar and type Windows Security. When it appears, click on it to open. Now inside Windows Security, find and select Device Security. Once you're in Device Security, you'll see several options related to your system's protection. What we need to open is Core Isolation Details, so go ahead and click on that. Here, look for Memory Integrity. For most people, this option will usually be turned off. All you need to do now is turn Memory Integrity on. When you enable it, Windows may ask you to confirm. Just confirm and give it a moment to apply the change. After that, Windows will ask you to restart your computer. Go ahead and close everything and restart your PC. Once your computer turns back on, open EA Sports FC 26 again. At this point, the crashing issue should be completely fixed. And that's it. After following these steps, your EA Sports FC 26 crashing on PC problem should be solved. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.